Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another products I've used up empties sort of video. I love these videos. I love to watch them. I love to film them. I don't know, they're just some of my favorite videos to watch, and from the comments that I do get on these videos, it seems like you guys really enjoy them too. I know they're not one of my most popular videos, but I find them super helpful. So I wanted to share with you what I've used up over the last little bit, and yeah, let's get into it. So everything that I mentioned will be linked down below for you guys, so it's easy for you to shop if you are interested in any of these products or the ones that I tell you to stay away from. But if you love them, then continue using them. If they work for you, awesome. These products either just did or did not work out for me, and I'm just gonna share with you my thoughts on them. So first thing is, I always forget to keep these, but last night I did one and I was like, okay, I'm gonna remember it. So it's specifically the Tony Moly sheet masks, the I am pomegranate, I am seaweed, I am whatever, sake, whatever. They're so good. I love them. They're very affordable. They're a really thick mask, but it fits my like eyes and stuff. Sometimes I find that like the eyes are too big, or oh gosh, it's still got goo in it. The eyes are like either too big or too small or whatever, and I love these. It comes with a lot of serum in it. Clearly I didn't get all of it, and I just notice a difference of brightness, lightness, just really good results afterwards. So definitely check those out. I mean, you can get them on Amazon. If you have a Korean market near you or an Asian market near you of any sort, check it out. They might have a Tony Moly there. I know we do near our H Mart. So if you have an H Mart, I'm pretty sure they have one in the California next to the H Mart in California in Corona del Mar. I'm not sure if they have it everywhere, but you can also get it on Amazon, Urban Outfitters, a bunch of different places. You can get those sheet masks. They're really good. I finished up this product and I purchased this, I want to say last winter, and I loved it. You guys, smells amazing, amazing, but it feels even better. So this is the Soap and Glory, which I've heard amazing things about Soap and Glory. I feel like I've been on and around YouTube for years and years, but this is the Smoothie Lightly Whipped Body Cream. It smells of pistachio, almond, and sweet vanilla fragrance. It's just so hydrating, so thick, so like oily, buttery, just amazingness. I literally scraped this thing clean. I am going to pick up another one because I love it. It's too heavy for me like during the summer, obviously, but I'll use it on my like knees, elbows, feet before I sunless tan. I really like using it for that reason. Also, if I just take a bath and I'm gonna be staying in for the night, I will put it on then because I tend to get a little bit more dry. So I'll put it on and go to sleep with it. It is so nice. Smell is amazing, but the product inside is phenomenal. So if you've not tried this out yet, you can pick it up at Target. It's so good. All right, I have a random, this is like a beauty sponge thing. It's not the beauty blender. I get a 5-pack of these on Amazon. If you have not tried these and you're literally using any other sponge, please try them. They're like $5, I think, maybe a little bit more, but so freaking cheap. And it comes with 5 of them in there, and they're so good. This one just like lost its shape a little bit, so I just grabbed another one, and it's getting kind of old. So I just kind of toss these a little bit more frequently than probably I used to do my beauty blender, because those are $20. So I feel less, you know, obviously bad about tossing these when they're actually supposed to be tossed, which I do about every 3 months. I will get a new one, and then sometimes I'll switch or take it out of my travel bag if it's been sitting in there for a while too. But I just love the quality of these sponges. I've been using them for over a year now for sure. I saw them on Danny Austin's Instagram, and since then I've been hooked. They're so good. Oh, I have a pink one as well. This one is from my travel bag. Okay, so I don't go through 2 in a month, but this one's from my travel bag, and I remember it just being gross, and I just didn't wash them because clearly they were being thrown away. Okay, this is like my favorite shampoo of all time. For dandruff control. Me and Scott both use this, and we feel like it keeps our dandruff at bay, and I was actually not able to find this scent or formula. This is the only one that I like. Get it at Target. I wasn't able to find it last time I was in Target, so I had to pick up a different scent. Just don't love it as much. It just doesn't control my dandruff enough. So this is the Coconut Hydrate and Hydration. Seriously, I really should just buy this on Amazon because it comes in a 4-pack on Amazon, and that way we wouldn't need to purchase it as often. This is so good. Like, the best dandruff shampoo I've ever used, because it keeps my dandruff at bay, but it does not dry out my blonde hair. So So good. I don't use it every single time I shampoo, close to it. And I shampoo or wash my hair about twice a week. And I pretty much do, yeah, shampoo my hair or use this as my start. Like I'll use this to clarify my scalp and then I'll go in with like a purple shampoo or whatever other shampoo I'm using for the day. I finished up this Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. I got nail polish on it from when I was traveling into New York. This is a really good dry shampoo. It's pricey, and so that's my only hesitation why I'm like, is it as good? It's been so long since I've used drugstore dry shampoo because honestly, I worked for Sephora, so I was given so much dry shampoo. So, and this one came in my FabFitFun box. But I just grabbed a new one from Target called Cocoa Loves. I haven't pulled it out yet or used it because I still have a little bit of my, what's it called? Biamica Prep Start? I don't know. I don't love that one, but this one I actually really do love. I noticed a huge like decrease in my, not decrease in my oil, but just like it like shot out so much. And it's, I wouldn't say this is good for dark hair necessarily because it is pretty white cast, like you can see it on the bottle. But this was good freaking stuff. Like when my hair was dirty, this was it. This was it. I loved this. I don't know if I'll repurchase it, I'm not gonna lie, but it's good. So if you're looking for a high-end dry shampoo, get it, check it out. This is disgusting. I live by these. You guys probably see them in my Empties videos all the time. And so if that doesn't tell you how much I love it, it should. This is the Dhc Deep Cleansing Oil. I remember when this became like a thing back in the day, and I've just always liked it. It's from Japan, so obviously, but it's just so good. You can get it on Amazon. That's where I get it, and it removes everything for me, and I really like it. It doesn't break me out, it doesn't clog my pores. It's just overall a really good product. I have a nail polish, the same nail polish that exploded all over here. I wanted to throw this in because I just picked up a new one because this one was getting pretty gross. This is the OPI Let's Be Friends. It is now part of their permanent collection. It wasn't before, it was just their like Hello Kitty collection, but it's my favorite light pink, almost white nail polish. It's so opaque, 2 coats, you're good to go, and it lasts a long time on my nails. So definitely check this out. You can get it on Ulta now because they sell it permanently. So I'm super excited about that. So I did get a new one, already replaced that. This next is this moisturizer. This is the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I liked this. I wasn't like overly impressed with it. It went well underneath my makeup. It was good. It was jelly, but it was still super hydrating. But yeah, oh, I have some still left in the lid. I wasn't like, oh my God, this is the best product I've ever tried. But it was good. It's an affordable luxury or affordable like high-end moisturizer. Belief is overall an affordable line, like Sephora. Affordable for Sephora. But yeah, it was good. It was just wasn't anything to like write home about. This is something to write home about. I love this. I don't know. I feel like I didn't when I first started using it, but now I love it after I'm finished the entire thing. I think I've already used one before, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. I don't think this has SPF in it, but it smells like SPF. That's my only complaint. It smells like sunscreen to me. I don't know why. I just don't love that smell, but it is, it's made in Switzerland. Ho, ho, ho. It's so good. It is so pricey, but it is so luxurious. You can use this as a day cream and a night cream. It goes beautifully under makeup, but it is also so thick, rich, hydrating, feels like it has oils in it. It probably does for nighttime. It's like probably one of my favorite like all-in-one moisturizers I've used in a very, very, very long time. I love this stuff. It's so good. So good. I mean, I feel like a lot of her stuff is good, but that I feel like was overpriced or it is overpriced, but I feel like it was like overhyped when I first started started hearing about it, and now I understand the hype. It's amazing. This is the eyebrow gel stuff that I use. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow. I already have another one. It's so good. I use number 2. It's just quick. It's easy. If you already have brows, like decent brows, you just comb this into place. It adds a little bit of color. It does have some fibers in it, I believe, and it just keeps them in place and adds some color to it. I love it. I use this every single day. And I've already repurchased. Well, I already had a backup, so I didn't even need to repurchase. All right, finishing up with skincare. You guys know, I think this is the 3rd one I've gone through, and I already have another one. This is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. Just really good at overall hydrating the skin and brightening the skin, I find. I love The Ordinary. I think you can find amazing skincare from them, and it's very, very affordable. So definitely check this one out. It's a great serum to layer with. You just have to be careful during the daytime to not put it on too much, because it will ball underneath, like depending on what primer you use. I find that it will ball up my Benefit Professional if I use too much. So I have to do a very light coat of it so it doesn't do that, or just press in the primer instead of rubbing. This was the Pharmacy Honey Grail. This was insanely good. Okay, it's too thick for summertime for me. I only use it at night, obviously. It literally has the consistency of honey. It's so thick. If you have dry skin that's acne prone, I think you would really love this, because the honey in it is antimicrobial, obviously, but also it's just so, it says it's supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles. This says it's a lightweight moisturizer. No, this stuff like stayed on my skin overnight. It was so thick for me, but I loved it. This is just a mini sample size, but I would definitely pick up the full size of this, especially going into winter. But if you have very dry skin, try this. I love Pharmacy, but try that. It's so good. And then I finished up my last bottle of this. This was my Lancome 5% vitamin C. I loved this stuff. I used this stuff when I knew I was gonna be out in the sun, like for a while. So vitamin C oxidizes on the skin and kind of helps the sun from getting in to make your dark spots worse. So I would always put a layer of this on, then my mineral sunscreen, so I felt like it blocked even more. You're just supposed to use vitamin C in the sun underneath sunscreen, and it's supposed to increase its benefits of helping to prevent your spots from getting darker. I didn't notice a huge difference in lightening my spots, but it helped them from getting darker when I used it. And I could tell because it was oxidizing. If I was in like direct sunlight, Scott would be like, your hairline looks orange. And I'm like, it's my vitamin C, because it's doing its job. It's oxidizing instead of turning my spot darker. So that is everything that I've used up over the past month, all of my empties. Overall, a lot of hits for the most part. So everything will be linked down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up and letting me know in the comments down below. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys. Love you.